Let's try 4 together. So I have n is equal to, and I'm going to go ahead and start using parentheses on everything. And I have z sub alpha divided by 2. Now take a look at z alpha divided by 2. It is just a variable. It is not a big deal. Don't be intimidated by it. A subscript like this is a position. It just indicates the position of something. So if I had 3 ducks, for example, I have duck number 1, duck number 2, duck number 3, and they all had labeled duck. So this would be duck 1, duck 2, duck 3. And so you notice that the 1, 2, 3 are their position. This is the same thing as alpha divided by 2. This is their position. So overall, mathematically, it doesn't affect us. So we have 1.96 squared times 0.25, which is the p hat. And then we have q hat, which is 1 minus 0.25, all divided by e squared. I'm going to go through and I'm going to simplify all the things that I can by hand before I start using a calculator. I can't simplify this, so I can't do that yet. I can't simplify this. In other words, there's nothing to simplify. But I can simplify 1 minus 25 hundredths, which is 75 hundredths. Very easy. And I don't think I can do this in my head, so I'm going to leave it. Okay, now that I've simplified, I'm ready for all my multiplication. If you notice on the numerator, it's all being multiplied. So I feel confident entering this into the calculator carefully. Let's go ahead and do 196 with my parentheses, squared, times, parentheses, 0.25, parentheses, 0.75. I have my numerator and my denominator. We have 0.0016. And we are ready to divide. And we are rounding to 3 places. So I'm going to correct myself here. It was not crazy. This is still an equal sign. So let's round to 3 places. This is where I look. This is the 3rd place. This is where I look. And that's 4, 5, 0, 1, 8, and 5 makes my 7 go up 1. Number 5. It says evaluate the expression and graph them on a number line. Given x bar is equal to 52 and s is equal to 5. Do not round. I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to kind of point out a fact to you, but you don't have to notice this. Let's take a look at the middle value. This is x bar by itself, and then this way I'm going to subtract an s. This way I'm going to add an s. This way is minus 2, that's plus 2, minus 3. There's a little bit of a pattern here. So that's the reason I'm going to start in the middle. If I substitute x bar is equal to 52. So that's it. We're going to have to graph that. Let's do x bar plus s. This is going to be 52 plus 5. And this is going to be 57. X bar plus 2s is going to be 52 plus 2 times 5. This will give us 52 plus 10. That is 62. Okay, and so on. It's your goal to try x bar plus 3s. Let's go the other way. So if I have x bar minus 5, minus s, so x bar is 52 minus 5. This will give us 47. And we're going to graph all of these. Now, you do the ones on the edges that I have highlighted for you. And let's go ahead and graph.